Every year, researchers travel the globe collecting data on each country's life index. By comparing how residents rate education, life satisfaction, health, employment, and environment, we're able to piece together a perfect view of where we should move next. According to the Organisation for Economic Cooperation and Development, the answer is Europe. Welcome to Wondermens, the 10 happiest countries in the world. Number 10, the Netherlands. With a countrywide employment rate of 75% and an average income of $25,400 after taxes, it's no wonder the Dutch are an extremely happy people with such a high standard of living. Combine this with a literacy rate of 99% and work hours adding up to far less than 40 hours a week, such a strong work-life balance does wonders for the mindset of the people that live there. Number 9, Sweden. Much like the Dutch, Swedes are an incredibly wealthy group of people without having to work for most of their lives. Different, however, is the country's dedication to the environment, a dedication that won them the title of being the first green capital of Europe. Complete with the most pure water and government-sanctioned healthcare, there's very little stress here. Number 8, Finland. What sets Finland apart educationally are its shorter school hours. This allows for an incredible student-teacher ratio and the current standing of 83% of all Finns having a university equivalent degree. In the government, 40% of the seats belong to women. In addition, maternal death rates are extremely low, resulting in Finland being one of the top countries for mothers. Number 7, Australia. One of only 2 non-European entries on this list, Australia pays $31,000 per year and focuses on job security more than other first world nations. A special school-to-work program gives students the chance to learn a trade prior to graduation, helping spur on a healthy workforce. The Great Barrier Reef also helps pull in an estimated $3 billion annually. Number 6, Iceland. While work-life balance remains almost perfect in Iceland, few things can beat their affordable education system. Only required to pay for registration, Iceland is extremely well educated with a literacy rate of 100%. Crime is also virtually non-existent, as the judicial system works to help criminals rejoin society by offering them paid work. Even with average life expectancy reaching 82 years, there remains a well-organised, affordable healthcare system with an unbeatable doctor-to-patient ratio. Number 5, Austria. With enough vacation time to actually enjoy life, Austrians are well known for being some of the most relaxed individuals in the world. It's also an incredibly safe and clean place. Women can walk around at all times without fear, while visitors marvel at how low pollution is. The capital is highly respected as a historical wonder and citizens are offered cheap access to museums and the opera. Number 4, Denmark. Though ranked highly for health, education and wealth, it is trust in one another that makes the Danes such a happy people. Their strong social ties help foster such a culture. Its voter turnout of 88% shows just how much people care about their transparent leaders. Copenhagen, its capital, is working to make the city entirely carbon-free by 2025. Though taxes are extremely high, the free healthcare, education and unemployment support make them well worth it. Number 3, Canada. More so than any other country in North America, Canada feels happiest on almost an unprecedented scale. The government is one of the least corrupt in the world, crime rates are extremely low, and there is no age discrimination within the workplace. As for the country itself, many cite its pristine beauty as a major factor for their happiness. The abundance of trees keeps the air crystal clear. Number 2, Norway. Norwegian workers are a lucky lot, receiving a total of 5 weeks of paid vacation every year. Like Canada, the government is surprisingly uncorrupt as it works toward equality for all, home to a yearly visit from the Northern Lights. It also pulls in travellers that love to visit the many fjords, beaches and lakes dotting its lands. Basic medical services are free, as well as treatments for pregnancy. Number 1, Switzerland. Economically strong, high in pay, low in taxes, and a transparent government have led to Switzerland being named the happiest country in the world. Work hours are short, allowing for community building and regular exercise. Crime rates are low and streets are tidy. To top it all off, the Swiss tend to be the healthiest in the world. Thanks for watching Wonderments. Be sure to thumbs up, share and subscribe for new videos every week. And let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.